Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. I'm at Danny Fleeser's house today out in Williamston, Michigan. I want to talk to you today about plastic. Plastic on your hoop houses. You know, we start out in the hoop houses, we're going to keep in, early May, late April. We're trying to keep the plants warm. We're, usually in temperatures around 40, 50 degrees, and we want to get them warm. But now we're into June, it's June 5th, or what is it, Dan? It's June 6th?
6th. Yep.
June 6th. Now it's time, if you haven't got the plastic off, you better get it off because it will get too hot under the plastic. You're not shooting to be 90 degrees under that plastic. The plants don't like 90 degrees. They'll do much better at 75 to 80 degrees. The low 80s are all right. I'd stay away from 90, far away from 90. But here you go. Dan's got his plastic peeled back, and they're looking good, Dan. Looking good.
They're small, but we'll get them going here quick.
So what do you got going? Tell us a little bit.
We got the Gettys, the 2500 Gettys, and the 1501 Vanderweilen.
Okay, this is the 1501 Vanderweilen that grew Deb Ganter's. I'm walking on your planks so I don't compact the soil and break roots. This is the 1501 Vanderweilen that grew Deb Ganter's 2152. Look at the roots. The roots, baby, the roots. He's got roots coming out of the ground. That's what you want to see. Looking good, Dan, looking good. And we're just now getting some sunshine. We've been really hammered in Michigan with clouds. The clouds are still up there. I also want to talk to you a little bit about the giveaways. I'm giving away a 6-pack of nutrients. Like every 2 or 3 videos, I'll give one out. It's not per video, but if you go ahead, I'm going to link this to another video. You comment on the videos, you'll be in the drawing. The more comments you leave, the bigger your chance of winning a 6-pack, which is valued around $200. I will cover the shipping in the continental U.S. If you're from Canada or Europe, then you split the shipping with me if you win. All right, but there you have it. Those are looking good, Dan. The green, nice. For all the weather considering, he's doing a great job. But don't leave your stuff under the plastic too long. These are looking good. Nice green color. Very nice green color.
Mark's tea every night.
Mark's special tea every night, he says. Amino acids, kelp extract. There you go. All right, you guys keep them growing. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel and click on your notifications. Stay tuned for our next winner. On the next video, I'm going to give away a 6-pack of Mark's mixes. So stay tuned, man. Keep commenting. You may be the winner.